Hello students, today we are going to see the NTS question paper of November 2015. Now first question, in the year 2013, Praveen sells rupees 1 on first day, rupees 3 on second day, rupees 1 on first day, rupees 3 on second day, rupees 5 on third day, and so on. Find the total amount of his saving in that year. We have to find the value of SN. Find the total number of saving in that year. 2016 हा लीप इयर आहे का? 4 ने डिवाइड होणारी संख्या नाही, म्हणजे लीप इयर नाही. म्हणजेच यामध्ये किती दिवस असतात? 365 दिवस असतात. Therefore, we have to find value of 365. We have to find value of 365. म्हणजे find the total amount of his saving in that year. म्हणजे sum of 365 ह्याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला काढायची. Now here A is the first term 1, common difference D is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. A, D माहित आहे, S 365 माहित आहे. Now write down formula. SN is equal to N upon 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put values. Therefore, S 365 is equal to 365 upon 2 into bracket 2 into value of A is 1 plus N minus 1. N is 365 minus 1 into value of D is 2. Therefore, is equal to, now 365 divided by 2. 365 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 1 is 2 plus, now 365 minus 1 is 364 into 2, 364 into 2 multiplying by 2, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 6 12, carry 1, 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7 is equal to 365 upon 2 into 730. Now here dividing by 2, here is 3, 6, 5. Now take multiplication 365 and into 365. Now multiplication of 365 into 365, we get 365 into 365, 25 5 carry 2, 32. Now multiplying by 6, multiplying by 3, take addition, one lakh 33,225 rupees. This is value of S 365. Therefore, correct choice is A. म्हणजे या वर्षामध्ये किती सेविंग होईल? 1,33,225 rupees. Question number 2. Ganesh has to pay rupees 482 for 19 apples and 11 guavas. If he would have exchanged the number of apples and guavas purchased, exchange केले, then he would have paid rupees 64 less. त्याला 64 रुपये कमी द्यावे लागतात. अगोदर 482 द्यावी लागली तर त्यापेक्षा कमी 64 द्यावे लागतात. फाइंड हाऊ मच मोर अमाउंट ही हॅज टू पे टू परचेस वन ऍपल दॅन वन गोवाज. म्हणजे एक ऍपल घेण्यासाठी वन गोवा घेण्यापेक्षा किती रक्कम जास्त द्यावी लागेल आपल्याला काढायचं. नाउ हियर वी कन्सिडर लेट कॉस्ट ऑफ वन ऍपल is equal to x rupees and cost of one govas is equal to y rupees. आता by first condition काही 19 apples and 11 govas cost किती 482. Now 19x plus 11y is equal to 482. If he would have exchanged the number of apples and govas, म्हणजे आता ऍपल 19 घेण्याच्या ऐवजी 11 घेतले आणि गोवास 11 घेण्याच्या ऐवजी 19 घेतले तर काय पहा 11x plus 19y is equal to किती रुपये कमी द्यावे लागतात 64 रुपये कमी द्यावे लागतात. म्हणजे 482 minus 64 814 म्हणजे किती रुपये द्यावे लागतील 418 rupees. Now we know that how to solve this type of example. If cross coefficients are equal, then first take addition, we get one equation, then take subtraction, we get another equation, and by solving that equation we get values of x and y. The x आणि y चे आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू काढायचे. Now first take addition, 30x plus 30y is equal to 900. Dividing by 30 we get x plus y is equal to 30. This is number 1. Addition घेतली एक इक्वेशन काढलं. Now take subtraction and 19x plus 11y is equal to 482. 11x plus 19y is equal to 418. Minus minus minus. 19x minus 11x is 8x. This is minus 8y is equal to आपण पाहिले 482 मधून 64 मायनस केल्यानंतर हे येतात म्हणजे 482 minus 418 is 64. Here dividing by 8 we get x minus y is equal to 8. This is number 2. Now write down equation 1 and 2. Now write down equations 1 and 2. That is x plus y is equal to 30 and x minus y is equal to 8. Take addition, x plus x, 2x is equal to 38. Therefore value of x is 19. The x म्हणजे काय cost of apple, one apple is 19. Put this value in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes x plus x is 19 plus y is equal to 30. Equation 1 मध्ये ठेवली. Therefore y is equal to 13 minus 19. Y is equal to 11. आपल्याला काय करायचंय find how much more amount has he have to pay to purchase one apple than one govas. म्हणजे एक ऍपल घेण्यासाठी किती रक्कम जास्त द्यावी लागेल गोवापेक्षा म्हणजे काय करावं लागेल यातला डिफरन्स x minus y is equal to 19 minus 11 is equal to rupees 8. किती रुपये जास्त द्यावे लागतील? रुपीज 8. This is the answer. Now question number 3. Find the quadratic equation whose one root is 2 plus root 5. X square minus 4x plus 1. We have given this 4 quadratic equation. Now we have given one root of quadratic equation, that is alpha is equal to 2 plus root 5. आता आपल्याला माहित आहे एक अल्फा 2 plus root 5 असेल तर बीटा काय असेल? कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ दिस. Therefore beta is equal to 2 minus root 5. Now we know that we have to find quadratic equation. We know that quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? We have to find values of alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. Now alpha plus beta, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to, now take addition of these two, that is 2 plus square root 5 plus 2 minus square root 5. Here plus square root 5 minus square root 5 get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And alpha into beta is equal to, by using formula a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Therefore 2 square minus root 5 square is equal to 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Therefore the quadratic equation is x square minus value of alpha plus beta is 4, therefore minus 4x plus alpha beta, that is value of alpha beta is minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x minus 1. X square, our answer is x square plus 4x here second choice is x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore correct choice is B. Question number 4. In a frequency distribution table, modal value of the wages of 130 workers is 97.50, L is 94.5, FM x plus 15, F1 x, F2 x plus 5. Find the upper limit of the modal class. We have to find upper limit. ह्या व्हॅल्यू दिल्याबरोबर आपल्या लक्षात आलं पाहिजे फॉर्म्युला मोड इज इक्वल टू L प्लस into bracket FM minus F0 divided by FM minus F1 divided by twice FM minus F1 minus F2 into H. म्हणजे ह्या व्हॅल्यू दिलेल्या पाहिल्याबरोबर आपल्याला हा फॉर्म्युला लक्षात आला पाहिजे. मोड इज इक्वल टू L प्लस L इज लोअर लिमिट प्लस FM minus F1 divided by twice FM minus F1 minus F2 into H. We have to find value of H. आणि आपल्याला लोअर लिमिट माहित आहे, आपल्याला अप्पर लिमिट काढायचं आहे. म्हणजे लोअर लिमिट मध्ये H ची व्हॅल्यू मिळवली तर आपल्याला काय मिळेल? अप्पर लिमिट मिळेल. नाउ is equal to, now we have given mode is 97.5 is equal to 97.5 is equal to 50. L is 94.50 plus FM is x plus 15 minus F1 is x divided by twice into bracket FM Fm is x plus 15 minus F1 is x minus F2 is minus x minus 5 into h. आपण यात व्हॅल्यू ठेवल्या, दिलेल्या व्हॅल्यू आपण यामध्ये ठेवल्या. नाउ ट्रान्सफर दिस टू द लेफ्ट हँड साइड. 97.50 minus 94.50 is equal to plus x minus x get cancel. 15 upon multiplying by 2x plus 2 into 5 30 minus x is minus 2x minus 5 into h. Here plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. 97.50 minus 94.50 0 0 7 minus 4 3, therefore this is 3. Left hand side is 3 is therefore 3 is equal to 15 upon 25 into 15 upon 30 minus 5 is 25 into h. Here dividing by 5 3 5. Here also 3 get cancelled, therefore left hand side is 1 is equal to 1 h upon 5. Therefore value of h is 5 into 1 is 5. आता find the upper limit. h ची व्हॅल्यू 5 आली, लोअर लिमिट माहित आहे 94.50. therefore upper limit is equal to 94 L plus h is equal to 94. Now question number 5. Given the equality of the following determinants, find the value of a plus b. आपल्याला डिटर्मिनंट दिले, त्यावर a plus b ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. Now we have to solve this determinant taking cross multiplication, that is 4e minus 6 into 3 18 is equal to 6 into 5 30 minus 4b. 4 into b is 4b. Transfer this to the left hand side. Therefore 4a plus 4b is equal to 30 minus 18 becomes plus 18. Therefore taking 4 common into bracket a plus b is equal to 30 plus 18 is 48. We have to find value of a plus b. Therefore a plus b is equal to 48 divided by 4. Dividing by 4. Therefore a plus b is equal to 12. Correct choice is B.